Admirals Log, Military Combat, Stardate 72153.7. Our chief engineer reports that the Israeli Confederate battleship Hamilton will have to be put on defensive posture duty till further notice. On a shakedown cruise and a surprise attack mission, the primary warp drive was showing signs of concern as the warp coolant interface systems were beginning to fail and degrade. Red flags lit the whole board like crazy. Our chief engineer and her staff urged to return back for further diagnosis. They reported that the warp drive system itself has been fatigued for many decades, and long faithful service have taken its toll on her systems. For now, the Israeli Confederate starship Hamilton, registry NCC 18581, will be put on defensive posture duty till further notice, or until a new warp drive or rebuilt warp drive will be available for installation and shakedown trials. However, she did complete one major mission out to Outpost San Marcos and Outpost Wimberley, where it was led to believe the Islamic Dominion have been conducting attacks and raids against Christian, Wiccan, and pagan communities in that area. However, until further notice, I regret that the Israeli Confederate battleship Hamilton will have to remain as is on a defensive platform status. Many of the fighter squadrons will still be assigned to her and will also assist the Israeli Confederate battle frigate Chris Kyle on its missions. It is regrettable, yet a necessary evil in resource management. After negotiation breakdowns around Outpost Ennis and Waxahachie, the proposals for annexation have been denied. The Knesset has felt that due to the resource issues that we're going through at this time, that we'll have to truncate our patrol duties to our more immediate areas till further notice. However, it appears that the situation hasn't deteriorated anytime soon or rapidly at this time. I've yet to figure out how things will work out and how things will play out in the coming months, even the coming weeks. But for now, status quo is to be maintained as much as possible. Fighter patrols have been stepped up. Many of the Hamilton's fighter escorts have volunteered to conduct patrols on our behalf. A couple of the Romulan warbirds did agree to host the fighter squadrons for refueling and resupplying as a launch platform. But until situations improve, that's going to have to be the way of things at this time. End log entry.